Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your HP 255 as a monitor for another laptop. So two very important conditions for using this feature is that both your devices have to use either Windows 10 or Windows 11, and both devices have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And in order to project the image from another monitor, from another laptop to your PC, you're going to have to install one specific feature on your HP. So let's open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now here in Settings, we're looking for System on the sidebar. And once you open System menu, scroll down to Optional Features. Now in Optional Features, you're going to have to click View Features, then Accept to make changes, and then select See Available Features and search for wireless display. You're gonna find this feature here, select it and add it to your computer. Then you'll be able to see it in the added features once it's added, usually at the very bottom. Okay, since we already have it, we can close this window, then go back to System. Then we can scroll down to Projecting to this PC option. Now here we're going to have to make some changes. We're going to have to change Always Off in the first field to either Available Everywhere or Everywhere on Secure Networks if you are using a secure network. And then if you want to project the image to this PC, even if it's unplugged from the charger, you have to switch this toggle off. Okay, so after you do that, you're gonna have to press the combination of Windows and P on your another laptop. This will open the projection menu. Okay, but before, one step further, I'm going too far. First of all, we're gonna have to press Windows and K in order to open the cast menu. So press Windows K on another laptop and find your HP right here in Available Displays menu. Select it, then accept the connection on your HP. And after you do that, after you accept the projection, you're gonna have to press Windows P on another computer to select the projection type. So if you press Windows P, you'll be able to select either to duplicate your screen, to extend your screen, or to use your HP laptop as a main monitor. And then to finish the projection, you can either tap close in the top right corner of your HP, since this projection will appear in a separate window of this PC, or you can also just press Windows K on another laptop and click Stop Casting at the very bottom of this mini window. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.